I want to modify this hoodie so it's functional for cycling and give it some style. It's the perfect base. It's ivory white. It's going to be great. But before I do that,
yes, my friend, they set me free again. Yes, my friend.
Hey John, you got any books on patterns?
The street again.
This always happens. I end up getting pounds more book than I expect.
My friend, my friend.
I usually don't take this bike on this far of a ride, but on account of the load, I had to make an exception.
The bars could not hold me.
It's good to be home. Now there is a reason I got all these books. And the reason is, first we gotta find a pattern. That's what the books are for.
Yes, my friend, my friend.
Man, that's fun. Okay, I think I have some ideas of what I want to do to this. Ultimately, there's two options I could go here, and I just want to see what colors I have for each of those options. So let's...
I'm on the street again.
Okay, these are my airbrush options. I think my color selection's looking pretty good over here.
The bars could not hold.
Okay. Red, blue, and black. Could almost paint it on, but spraying things are fun. I don't really know how well it sticks in the fabric. Okay, I figured it out. The plan is to use the red, blue, and black screen printing ink, and I wanted to use a bit of yellow, so I'm gonna use the airbrush yellow so that I can get my yellow, because I don't have any. Yeah, you get it. Look at this perfect reference. This is amazing. So I'm gonna make a quick study so I know where I'm going, and then I'll take it from there. Mock-up is done. I think it looks okay. I'm not in love with it, but for me it's about the process more than being in love with the final result. My intention while I make this pattern is to surprise and delight. Too much woo? Oh, I didn't realize that our truck bike adventure was 13 miles and we climbed 161 feet of elevation. Way harder than you think. The plan is to apply it with these. I forget what they're called. Spaculas? Is he ever gonna get to painting this thing?
Words could not control me now. They tried to keep me down, but the Lord
All right, now let's paint this thing. Whether we starting with the front or the back?
found. Yes, I've been accused, wrongly accused now, yeah. But through the power of
This
the
is
Most
extremely satisfying.
They had to turn me loose. Through the power of
The heat gun isn't necessary to cure the ink. This is water-based ink. It'll cure on its own. This is just to speed up the process.
they had to turn me loose. Don't try to hold me up. I'm on the bridge now. Got to reach Mount Zion's highest ridge. If you're a bull buckle.
Okay, last steps left. We're gonna airbrush some yellow on this guy and call it good.
Let me tell you, I'm a dopey conqueror.
All right, there you go. Mission accomplished. I think this turned out quite well. This is pretty much what I was looking for. It was fun to make, it looks cool, and now I have a completely different looking hoodie than I started with. All right, hang tight, dear friends, because I'm gonna take this hoodie to the next level in an upcoming video. What do you mean haircut? We're gonna put back pockets and a neck gaiter on this thing, and that needs to just be its own standalone video because there's already a lot that happened in this one. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Freeloader? What do you mean don't insult them? And check out channel memberships, early access, exclusive content, and more. All right, dear friends, thanks for hanging out. Always a pleasure. This is Dustin Klein, signing off.
Let me tell you, I'm a dopey